Hey you guys, I'm Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Now today I'm going to show you how to rock neon. Now this trend is bright, bold and is one of the biggest fashion trends of the year, and it has been spotted on everyone from Ranveer to Arjun to Varun. In fact, Varun was spotted at a film screening in this look that channels an easy breezy casual vibe. He wore an oversized neon green sweatshirt and joggers, a snapback cap and slides which completed the entire relaxed look, and it would be perfect for any casual outing, maybe like chilling with your friends or going for a laid-back dinner with your girl. So it's totally worth trying out this trend which has made its comeback from the 90s. Now for you guys, I've picked up this neon hoodie very similar to the one that Varun is wearing. Now this bright orange pullover hoodie features a crown logo and distressed typography across the chest. It's bright enough to make head turns, and that's exactly what I love about it. Now remember, you don't have to work too hard while wearing a statement piece like this particular hoodie. Now you can team this hoodie up with a pair of black joggers like this one, throw on a pair of slides or a pair of sneakers, and the entire look is sorted. Now what you can also do is roll up the sleeves on this hoodie for that very casual look. Now if you're a bit afraid of trying out a full neon look, then this jacket in particular is the best option for you. It's mainly navy blue with a splash of neon. Now this jacket features 3 colors that beautifully contrast against each other. The tiny patch of neon across the chest is color blocked against a stripe of white and rich navy blue. Now this color combination creates an extremely sporty aesthetic that's inherently casual. Layer this jacket over a white t-shirt and blue jeans to rock that athleisure look, which you can wear for all sorts of chilled out outings. Now guys, another safe way to try out this trend is this grey and neon jacket. The base is predominantly grey, but notice how the neon detailing along the arm makes this look anything but basic. Now you can pair this jacket with black joggers, again like this one, for that look that will be stylish at the gym and outside as well. Now when wearing athleisure inspired pieces, stick to chunky sport watches and sneakers or slides in order to tie the entire look together. Now if you're more experimental and you want to try out some bold neon, then something like this would really work best for you. I love this neon and white hoodie that's unapologetically bright. Now this hoodie is a sportswear classic that would elevate your lounge game, and it can be teamed up with a pair of grey joggers like this one to complete that chilled out look. So guys, I do hope that you've picked up a few tips on how easy it is to style neon. Now remember, when wearing neon, don't be afraid to let the pop of color be the focus of your outfit. Well, that's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Now in today's episode, I want to talk about monochrome, a trend that's been a rage on the runways for the past few seasons, and today we'll be borrowing some fashion tips from the ever stylish Varun Dhawan. Now the actor was spotted at a movie screening in this cool monotone blue outfit. He wore a double denim outfit of a patchwork jacket, blue t-shirt and jeans which looked extremely dapper. He kept the look very fresh by choosing a jacket with logo patches. I like the fact that Varun played with the various tones of blue in order to create this look. He broke the monotony of the blue tones by pairing the look with a brown belt and matching brown sneakers. I think this outfit worked really well for Varun as he beautifully balanced looking casual and sharp both at the same time. Now Varun's choice of color may appear basic, but it's a massive trend this year as the classic blue is the Pantone color of the year and will be the rage on all runways. And honestly, if there's one color that every man should have in his wardrobe, it's blue. It's simple yet sophisticated, and you can always depend on it no matter what you wear. Another great benefit of wearing a monochrome outfit is the fact that it instantly makes you look taller. And if you're looking to try a new trend and hate experimenting too much, you should give the monotone blue outfit a shot. Now taking inspiration from Varun's look, I suggest picking a shirt like this one. The patches add an element of fun and add the much needed pop of color to the outfit. I suggest to pair this shirt with a pair of mid-wash jeans like the ones that I have here. I would also suggest wearing a navy blue t-shirt like this one under the shirt to give it that very casual look. Not just that, it also tends to hide that tummy in case you haven't been hitting the gym recently. Now, monotone blue look also lends itself really well to formal wear. Let me show you guys an easy way to put this look together. These light blue linen pants are a great base for any formal look in tones of blue. Pair it with a denim blazer like this one, throw on a powder blue shirt like this one, and you have an entire look. I love how this shirt has a preppy red stripe down the center. The small contrast detail elevates the entire outfit. Now, choosing a blazer like this one adds a refreshing touch to this entire tone-on-tone look and breaks the monotony. A classic watch and tan loafers would complete the entire look. It's a perfectly put together look for any boardroom meeting or a formal daytime event. So guys, this trend ticks all the boxes and suits everyone no matter what their sense of style is. So go ahead and don't be afraid to mix those blues in the next outfit that you choose. I'll see you guys on the next episode with more Bollywood style tips. Until then, ciao. Now today I'm going to show you how to ditch that suit jacket for a snazzy waistcoat, just like Varun Dhawan did, who was spotted at his friend Sangeet in a single-breasted grey waistcoat and trouser combination that perfectly contrasted against the powder blue shirt that he was wearing. He kept the vibe semi-formal by keeping the first two buttons of his shirt undone and roughly rolled up his sleeves. Now, if you are someone who isn't too comfortable in a proper blazer, then this look is perfect for you. Now, when styling your waistcoat, choose pants that are either a complementary shade or a contrasting color. The waistcoat and shirt combination works really well with chinos and jeans. Now, trust me, this trend will make a total style statement and is way more comfortable than wearing a suit. It adds a classic charm to a regular shirt without too much hassle. Now, let me show you guys some different ways to wear the waistcoat to spice up your wardrobe. Now, to get a look inspired by Varun Dhawan's look in the picture, what you can do is use a grey waistcoat like this one. Now, grey is a great option and it works well with a whole range of colored shirts that you probably already have in your wardrobe. Now, you can use a shirt which are pastel shades like this pink pastel shade shirt, or you can even team it up with maybe basic blacks or whites. Now, for a more semi-formal look, pair this grey waistcoat with a peach shirt like this one and a pair of black pants, and you can throw on a pair of black loafers as well to complete the entire look. Now, you can also wear this outfit as it is, or you can add a quirky touch by maybe throwing in a bow tie or even a pocket square. Roll up the sleeves on your forearms, add your favorite watch, and you're ready to party. Now guys, this waistcoat can also be styled in a more casual manner. What you can do with this waistcoat is you can throw in a white t-shirt underneath it, use a pair of mid-wash jeans like this one, add a fedora and a pair of black combat boots for that really chilled out look that's perfect for a brunch. Now guys, this next waistcoat is an absolute classic. It's got check detailing and it looks really elegant. What I'd suggest is pairing this waistcoat with a pair of either grey or maybe black trousers like this one. And what you can also do under this waistcoat is throw on a very crisp white shirt like maybe this one to complete the entire look. Now this is a perfect outfit for a wedding function, and I also think that it's a great base for you to play around with accessories. What you could do is add a maroon bow tie to give it that pop of color to the entire outfit, or even pair this outfit with a blazer and a bow tie. Now with this look, black Oxfords and a smart silver watch will complete the entire look. I hope you're tempted to ditch your suit for a waistcoat. That's all from today's episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look. Until next time, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.